My name is Dean, and I had uppers and lower dental implants installed. I couldn't be happier. I've already been through the nightmare of dentures. I had all kinds of problems. The bottoms would flop around. I couldn't eat with them, so I ended up not wearing them. I actually went 7 years without teeth. So there's no Doritos, no potato chips, nothing like that, you know? You can't smile at anybody. You don't want to look at them. Your self-esteem is down, your confidence. It's disturbing. When I found Dr. Manning, I just went to my phone and he popped up and I said, well, he's right here. I'm 10 minutes away. So I came down here. I've never been happier.
Dean came to see me after he had lost all his teeth, but could not use dentures. Says he used so much glue, adhesive, and all the different types he's tried it before, and it just wouldn't stay in. He also was told by a few dentists that he didn't have enough bone to just place implants. So we used the latest technology, 3D scans, and we planned and grafted and built Dean a full arch with an all-on-X process, something he can keep in his mouth.
I was waiting for this day to happen. And everybody here is just really terrific. He's got a great team. They really did a great job.
We discussed it, we came up with a plan, and the plan was to go with an all-on-X and something we can build a full mouth bridge on just 4 to 6 implants each. And he's been very happy since.
My personal just started opening up just like that instantly, because now I can smile and look, and they look at me and they'll listen to you now. Where before they think maybe I'm mumbling or whatever, I didn't want to answer the question or whatever. And this is the best dental office I've ever been in. I've never had to wait longer than 10 or 15 minutes. I feel really good. I mean, I feel like I finally grew up. And I like the way I look. I like the way I feel about myself, my confidence, my self-esteem. I look in the mirror and go, yeah. I recommend it for anybody.